Hey guys, if you're having trouble accessing your router settings, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you how to log into your router's admin panel using the IP address 192.168.12.1. This will help you change your Wi-Fi settings and manage your network easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Connecting to the router. First, make sure your device is connected to your router's network, either by Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Opening the admin panel. Open your web browser and type http://192.168.12.1 into the address bar, then press enter. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. These are usually found on the router itself or in the user manual. If you haven't changed them, the default username is often admin and the password is password. Enter these details and click Login. Step 3. Navigating the admin panel. Now, you're in the admin panel. Here, you can change your Wi-Fi network name and password, update the router's firmware, and adjust other settings. Be careful when making changes, and only adjust settings if you know what they do. After making changes, it's a good idea to log out of the admin panel. Look for a Log Out button, usually in the top right corner. And that's it. You've logged into your router's admin panel using 192.168.12.1 and made some changes to your Wi-Fi settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials.